Hey guys, welcome back to Chula Gang. You know the vibes. It's been a minute. I've been MIA. I know, my bad. I apologize. But there's just been so much going on, as you guys know, in the world and with everything. It was just really draining, and I needed to take some time off. But I'm back. I feel much better, and I hope you guys are doing good. Check on your loved ones. See how they're doing. Keep in contact with friends and family is very important. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment below, add me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram, and let's just get right into it. Chula Gang, you know the vibes. So today I am just going to do a bit of eyeshadow look. Start. I got this hairnet from Zara Beauty. It's located here in Edmonton. It's a black owned business. So 9003 118 Ave. Yeah, very affordable, and I love it. If you're having a bad hair day, you can literally just put this on and go. But yeah, let's just get into the video. So I'm just gonna start off by brushing my eyebrows with CoverGirl in shade 710. I'm not using this pencil today to outline my brows. I'm just going to use it to brush my brows. I'm going to be filling my brow with Morph in Java. I'm just going to go in and do my brows real quick. I just want just a little bit on it, and you want to start to fill it in. And I'm going to go over and do the next one. I'm sure you guys already know that I have a lot of brows on its own. So I don't really need to fill in much. Unless you want to go for that dramatic look. Or like if I'm going to events and things, then I go a bit more. But just like for an everyday look, I try not to put too much. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go back over just so it blends better. And you want to just brush upwards.
And repeat the same step on the other side. And like that.
And with my concealer from e.l.f. Same one that I usually always use, medium beige. And I'm just gonna go in and now I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. It's moist, and just blend that in. So once you're done that, she'll look like this. And what I'm gonna do is go back over my brows with just the brush. I'm just vibing to some Afrobeat today. Now I'm gonna go in and do my eyeshadow, okay? And I'm just going to use my same concealer on the lid. So guys, today is all about colors, and I'm going to be going in Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place. So we're going in. Let me just show you guys a quick look at the palette itself. Just gonna play with some colors today, so let's get it. You can't kill my vibe. Nobody should kill your vibe, okay? My base, I'm gonna be going in with Morocco. All on your lid. Top of your crease, actually. So now I'm gonna go in with my black opal. Sorry, guys. Once you're done doing all that, I'm gonna do my nose. With your powder brush. So once you're done dusting off your extra powder, I'm gonna go in with my blush from MAC. Now I'm going to do my highlight, guys, and I'm gonna use Juvia's Place. And this is the Nubian. It's the loose highlighter Nefertiti. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but yeah. Don't worry, guys, it will be in my description box. Ooh. Look at that. Okay. What you talking about? You can't talk to me? What you mean? Okay. I'll blind you. I really will. Just when you put it, make sure you blend it like this with your hands. It's not just sticking out. You can't talk to me, honey. You gotta book appointments, okay? Period. Book an appointment. If you don't want that hash line, guys, you have to go over your highlight with your brush, your big brush. Just lightly. Applying any lashes because I did do lash extensions. So once I'm done that, all I do is brush my lashes out. These are over a week old, by the way. Shout out to Natalie, the Tooth Fairy. Guys, she's a black-owned business also. She works from home, but she's amazing at what she does. She don't only just do lashes. She do teeth whitening. She do gems on your teeth, eyebrows, much more. The line. My lips is really hard to talk with my braces, to be honest. Okay, so I outlined my lips, and now I'm gonna go in with MAC matte, actually A55, and it is purple. And that's it. To add mascara on my bottom eyelash. So if you like this look, please give this video a thumbs up, okay? This is the final look, guys. What do you guys think? This is my natural hair. I just put it in a bun and put some bangs in front. But yeah, simple and easy. Just more color, more vibrant. Love it. Simple and easy as always. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe, hit the little bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Chula gang. You know the vibes. Stay safe like my son said.